everyone, it's me, Teacher Alex. So last week you've done with your unit tests. So for today, we will start with our unit 3. So in our unit 3, we will tackle about 2 dimensions or 2D to 3 dimension or 3D. In this unit, create visual artworks with 2 dimension to 3 dimensions by applying the principles of light and shadow and weight. The diagram that you can see on your screen, that is the learning contents. So 2 dimension to 3 dimension, we will tackle about the 2D and 3D pictures, shape, light and shadow, cast shadow, light and shadow shading techniques, light and shadow in scenery pictures, and creative use of light and shadow. But before we proceed with our main topic, let's talk about first our vocabulary words for Unit 3. Now let's begin. Number 1, convert. Convert. 2, dimensional. Dimensional. 3, direction. Direction. 4, extraordinary. Extraordinary. 5, geography. Geography. 6, harmonious. Harmonious. 7, imagination. Imagination. 8, important. Important. 9, innovation. Innovation. 10, realistic. Realistic. 11, reflect. Reflect. 12, scenery. Scenery. 13, shadow. Shadow. 14, surface. Surface. 15, surreal. Surreal. So those are our vocabulary words. So please write it in your art notebook and please look for the translation so that you can understand easily our lessons. So without further ado, let's get started for our main topic for today. Are you ready? Now let's begin. Our first topic is 2D and 3D pictures. So how can you draw a 2D picture in 3D picture? Drawing a 3-dimensional picture needs the line with light and shadow shading in the picture. These are the main methods which a visual artist needs to understand in order to create the perfect visual artworks and be able to adapt to create a new artwork suitably. 2-dimensional or 2D pictures have width and length, while 3-dimensional or 3D picture also have depth and thickness. In other words, 2-dimensional pictures or flat pictures emphasizes horizontal, vertical, and other types of lines, character for a flat picture or plain picture, while the 3-dimensional emphasizes the surface of the artwork, including the light and shadow through shading and showing the details of the object, like color, lines, shapes, and forms. The diagram that you can see on your screen is the 2-dimensional and the 3-dimensional shapes that emphasizes the composition of shape and form. For the width, is the shortest side of the shape. Length is the longest side of the shape. For our 2D, we have the width and length, and it is a flat picture. And for our 3D, we have the length and width and depth, or the height. Height can mean the measurement of something from bottom to top. Again, height and depth represent the same quantity in the artwork. I hope you understand the differences of two-dimensional pictures and 3D pictures. Now please copy the following slides in your art notebook, including the vocabulary words, and please don't forget to look for the translations.